I'm David with Great Choice Audio Video, and finally we're here to show you guys how the finished product came out. In this project, we have the Sony 75-inch TV, we have the James small aperture speakers. There's a pair of speakers in the ceiling, and if you saw in the previous part of the video, we showed the kind of before photos, showing the installation of them, that they're hidden. It's a really cool thing about these speakers is that they're hidden inside this nice, beautiful wood ceiling. If you kind of look real closely, you can see the slats that were made, so kind of like a speaker grill, so they play right through them without a problem. Sound phenomenal. Also, we have a PowerPipe 10-inch sub. Also down in the video, you'll see the actual sub above the ceiling. It's in the attic actually, with a PowerPipe tube coming down in with this vent. So you see nothing but this beautiful ceiling, and there's tons of options when we're out looking at homes these days as far as where to place speakers, because you can actually have a great sounding speaker and not have to actually see it. There's lots of options. So this is one example of what we did. So if you come with me, we'll show you where the equipment's at. So we had only one option. They wanted us to put this in a cabinet. And obviously with the cabinet, you have to worry about things being stacked on top of each other. And you have to worry about heat, because heat's not good with equipment. So that being said, we have nice spaces between all the amplifiers. We have a Marantz receiver, which is powering, actually just doing all the video switching for us. We went with a nice sub amplifier for the in-ceiling sub. And then we have Sonance's DSP amplifier that has the small aperture speakers. We added in some really nice cameras to the system. We had some previous cameras, now we added more cameras. And then we're using a Roku to do all our streaming and everything. So on the side of the rack, we have a really nice setup over here. It's a fan that we did a thermostat control. So once it reaches a certain temp, fan speed speeds up, gets it down to the right temperature, and it goes back down automatically. So it's always circulating air according to how much you're using it, how hot it gets. So one really cool thing that we did there. So, and of course, last but not least, the remote. We're using the Yukon control system. So let me show you something. This is the Yukon remote. We're using this to control the system. With any system that you do these days, the remote, believe it or not, is the heart of the system. If the remote is hard to use, you hate your system. So with Yukon, it's very easy to use. And with Yukon, we can control the lights, we can control the media, the audio, the video, and so many different things, climate control. And so Yukon makes two remotes, a whole house remote and a single zone remote. For this room, this is just an add-on. This is a single zone remote, so super easy to use. So with what I like about Yukon is there's tons of solutions to do all kinds of really cool stuff. And give us a call, because we can show you guys what all is available out there. And we want to show you, really cool rooms like this. So that's why we continue to do the videos. So hope you guys like the video. Hit that like, subscribe button, and guys have a great one. See you next time.